Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely. Highs around 60. Windy. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Breezy. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Tuesday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the mid-40s. Wednesday, clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the lower 40s. Thursday, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Highs in the upper 40s.
What?
We were just getting
This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KHP36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from an antenna located in Manassas, Virginia. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Small craft advisory now in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Monday. Southwest winds 10 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots expected. The areas affected include tidal Potomac River from Key Bridge to Cobb Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Monday. Impacts, conditions will be hazardous to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Rockingham and Western Highland, and the following counties, in Maryland, Extreme Western Allegheny and Garrett, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton, Western Grant, Western Mineral and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory in effect from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of western Maryland, central, northwest and western Virginia and eastern West Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday. Impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details, heavy showers along the cold front will bring additional high wind gust threats as the system moves from west to east. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Frost freeze products will cease after November 14th until spring 2021. The median first freeze across much of our region was nearly 2 weeks ago. Therefore, National Weather Service Baltimore, Washington will cease issuing frost freeze products for all zones as of November 14th. Frost freeze products will resume in spring 2021. The current time is 9:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.